Wow.
Hey, buddy. Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You like it, buddy? You want to do it again? You ready? Hold it. Hold the leg. Oh, you see them fireworks over there.
Is it okay for him to have on them gloves? Larry, help him hold it. Yay! Corey don't need to fall asleep because we gotta eat. Corey! 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 Corey need to wake up.
Corey, sleep.
I think he went back there late in the bed like 15 minutes ago. Let me go get him. How's your brother doing it, buddy? See your brother doing it?
Yeah.
He said, okay, mommy.
He said, Daddy.
Oh, he said, daddy. Oh.
Wow.
Woo.
Larry, pay attention. Don't worry about no police right now. Yeah. Yay, Corey. Corey, you see it, buddy? Corey, you scared to do it, huh?
Oh, we got some sparkles.
We had to cut the lights off, but the police trying to get us. Police trying to get us. Oh, that's a sparkle thing, yeah. Little Larry, come back, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. He said, whoa. Little Larry, watch back,
Wow.
baby. Come back. Come on. Mom finna grab you. Come on. Oh, yeah, so with the sparkle, you just have to hold it until it go out. Yeah, you gotta hold it till it go out. I don't know why I'm getting close. And you keep turning around. Little Larry, baby. Sure. Can't you like drop it on the ground? Oh, yeah, I thought so. God damn. Then I'm walking up. You know, just in case the police come and throw that bitch on the ground, huh? Police want to fuck with us. Don't fuck with us, motherfucker. Ah, little lad, put it down.
What? Oh, don't feel weird.
Move.
Come on, Larry. Come on, buddy. No, this your brother gloves.
Move.
Oh, I see ass. Come on, little Larry, baby. Come on. You put him right beside each other? Woo, look at the fire.
Larry.
Come back, baby. Come back, baby. Come back, baby.
Whoa! Whoa! Look, Maria.
I see.
It's fire.
I see fire.
What is fire? It went fire. It's hot.
It hot, yep. Larry, he said it hot. You heard him. He up there blowing it. Stop blowing it, buddy. Stop blowing it, buddy. He said, it's fire, it's hot. Yeah, you know what it is.
It's real.
Damn, them damn things loud as fuck. And then some just bounce back over here. We'll clean them up tomorrow, child. Damn.
No. Oh, no.
That shit gonna be hard to clean up. Huh? You said what? Don't clean it up. I'm somebody we clean it up tomorrow. We ain't finna leave it down though, so it can grow on the ground. So it can grow on the ground. That shit would have pissed me off. Huh?
We used to do all.
Folk that used to live across the street, them other
Mommy,
folks. You remember they used to do that too. They crazy ass. You remember all them folks used to stay in the house? Used to be about 30 people in one house. About 30 people in that damn house.
Yeah, I know.
Like, didn't that man have some type of rule for that shit? Come on, baby. Come on.
I thought they felt on.